Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can add your card to Google Wallet. So it's very easy, just follow step by step process. So first go to Play Store, go to the search. Now search for Google Wallet and this is the apps. Just click on that and install it. So I already installed it. After install, just click on open. Okay, now just click on allow. After that click on add payment card. Now it will take a few moments. Now you can add your card by scanning, or you can add it manually. Just scan your card and then it will automatically detect your information, card information. After that you have to enter your security code. Now click on save and continue. So it's checking the card eligibility. Okay, now scroll down and then click on accept, and it will take a few moments, and there you go. So we have successfully added our card to Google Wallet, and that's how you can add your card to Google Wallet. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.